Hello, this is a video tour of 40 Valdez, a beautiful single-family home in Westwood Park. This is the exterior of the building. It is a beautiful location. It's very quiet, and the streets are very nicely kept. Okay, so let's enter the building. This is a single-family home. You have garage parking as well as driveway parking. This home has been beautifully maintained. There is a nice front porch right as you walk in, which is covered, and this is the view from the front door here. As you enter the building, you walk into a nice foyer, which is open to the living room and the dining. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout. You have built-in cabinets. This fireplace works. Lots of natural light. This is southern exposure. Amazing details here in this home. And you have gas heating and heater vents in most of the rooms. This is the breakfast dining area. It is a completely separate space, yet it is open to this amazing kitchen. You have a nice big refrigerator, dishwasher, lots of cabinet and counter space, gas range, and stainless hood. Okay, so here is the formal dining room. You have beautiful original French doors, built-in buffet. This cannot be converted to a bedroom. However, it is nice to have a formal dining room and a breakfast room. That door leads to the lower unit, which I'll get to momentarily. Here is the linen closet, which is located directly outside this bathroom. You have a tub and shower combination, nice big shower head. There's also additional storage up on top there. Hard to get to, but nice to have. His and her sink. Okay, so here is one bedroom. All the bedrooms are located off the street. So it is very quiet, and it's also a very quiet location. This door leads to the dining room there. Here is your closet. You have sliding doors. Nice big closet here. And that is the first bedroom. Oh, you also have a second closet here. All right, so here is the second bedroom. This one faces the garden. You have a nice big closet here. And we're going to take you downstairs. But first, behind the door here, there's a space here for additional storage. That door is sealed off. But you have this great big room here. It is finished. So this would be a great workout room, home office, guest room. And the garage and basement area is very large. The owner will store some items here. So all this storage space, you have laundry machines. Now the tenants left these behind, so you are responsible for maintenance, or if they break, you can bring in your own washer dryer. Here is the garage. You can park one car inside and a couple outside in the driveway. Here's additional toilet. There's a shower in there as well. Here's additional storage here. So So definitely no shortage of storage space in this home. And here is a nice big backyard. So this home has pretty much everything you need. Lots of space, lots of storage, parking, laundry hookups, but you can use those machines. Here's more storage and back into this amazing home. If you're interested, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much.